Work done by teacher to encourage community, parents, alumni, etc. to contribute to the school in any way, that is physical infrastructure, computers, midday meal, funds, books, etc. Certification by Headmaster Government High School Sector 53. I collected funds from my college friends and my personal contribution got installed 5 taps of drinking water in the playground for the welfare of students. They had no option than to stay thirsty in the field. Organized blood donation camp in school on several occasions, and all the times I invited my colleagues, some shopkeepers and community people around the school to arrange for the refreshment of the donors as well as the participants. Dainik Bhaskar Group regularly visits school and sponsors the prizes to students for various activities undertaken in the school from time to time. Organized Mindspark 4 and inter-school GK quiz competition in school and convinced Life Insurance Corporation of India to sponsor the event in terms of certificates, refreshments and trophies. UT advisor to the administrator Shri Vijay Kumar Dev and other education department officials were present on the. I have been associated with Bharat Vikas Parishad Chandigarh for the last 8 years, and the Parishad regularly donates books, uniform, shoes and notebooks to the students of the school. Invited Indian Council for Social Welfare to encourage the students of the school by organizing a painting competition, and the ICCSW provided stationery and other material for the students. Personally contacted senior officials of Indian Oil Corporation and organized a painting competition in school. The corporation gave funds for the prizes to the winning student. Convinced Life Insurance Corporation to celebrate their Diamond Jubilee celebrations with the students of the school and organized a GK quiz competition in the school. LIC managed all the expenses of quiz, prizes, refreshment, etc. for the students. Convinced Khan Academy to donate some stationery items for the students of the school, and this way encouraged the students to use online assignments. Organized essay writing competition, and Indian Council of Social Welfare arranged for all the books and stationeries for the students. Chaitanya Hospital Management contributed by organizing a health talk and healthy diet painting competition for teachers of the school. Indian Oil Corporation launched Save Fuel campaign in the school and gave some prizes to the students. Confederation of Indian Industry organized Nanni Chan tree plantation in the school, and the prizes were given away by the CII. Organized Republic Day function at GMS Maloya by motivating shopkeepers and colony pradhan to manage funds for the event, including tents, students' dresses and prizes. Formed Vatsal Peace Club in school and requested Yuv Satta to donate some books, and they themselves donated a portrait of Mahatma Gandhi for the school library. Invited many professionals from some fields and arranged training sessions for the students such as pottery, puppetry, etc. under Nai Talim project of MHR. Invited Bharat Vikas Parishad to hold a special talk on the values of Swami Vivekananda. The Parishad gifted a wonderful portrait of Swami Vivekananda and some books on his literature. Persuaded a close relative to pay fees and donated some books and stationery to help 2 needy students of my class. Organized talent hunt activity at GHS 53 and persuaded some parents of students to bear expenses including dresses, prizes, refreshment, etc. for the students. Organized blood donation camp in school on several occasions and motivated my friends and parents of students to donate blood as well as bear expenses for other arrangements. Invited Indian Oil Corporation to celebrate students' birthday in the school. The corporation gifted storybooks, stationery and other gifts to the students. Motivated some friends and colleagues to donate funds for giving away certificates and prizes to meritorious students of the school. Organized an interactive session for students on self-defense by inviting a professional totally free of cost. Invited doctors from Ivy Hospital Mohali to have a talk with students on health and personal hygiene. The event was funded and sponsored by Ivy Hospital Management. Organized Mindspark quiz in the school and convinced Dainik Bhaskar and Ivy Hospital to sponsor the prizes for the welfare of the students. Organized Mindspark 3 next year and persuaded organizations like Indo Travels, Red Carpet Computers, and Education and Regional Faculties of Science groups to provide certificates, refreshments, and trophies to the students. Organized a function on female feticide and gender equality and convinced Indian Council of Social Welfare to sponsor some prizes for the students of the school.